Hello students, welcome back to my channel once again. This video I am going to explain biological significance of cobalt. Okay, so hope you watched all the videos under bioinorganic chemistry students and noted down all the points. So next topic under this unit is biological significance of cobalt. You know students, in the previous videos when we are learning about biological significance of iron, sodium, potassium, chlorine, like that, we have seen the sources, right? But here under this cobalt, we need not actually know the particular sources of cobalt. Why, you know students, the normal average diet contains 5 to 8 mg of cobalt, which is many times more than the required amount. Okay, so the average normal diet itself contains this much of cobalt. How much? 5 to mg cobalt, which is much more than the required amount. Okay, so now no need of writing the sources of cobalt. Coming to the functions of this cobalt, you know students, it is the main component of vitamin B12, that is cyanocobalamin, which maintains the regular functioning of bone marrow to produce erythrocytes. Okay, so suppose if there is deficit of cobalt, you know students, what it does, it limits the production of vitamin B12 and this leads to anemia. You know what anemia is, right students? And also excess of cobalt, if cobalt is excess, then it will be leading to overproduction of erythrocytes. What happens if erythrocytes are overproduced? It causes polycythemia. Okay, if it is deficient, it leads to anemia. If it is excess, it leads to polycythemia. Okay, so this it's a short answer question, students. So these 2 points you can write under biological significance of cobalt. Okay, so I will just show you the points of under this. The average normal diet contains 5 to mg cobalt, which is many times more than the required amount. More than the required amount. Full stop. Next, functions. Cobalt is the essential constituent of vitamin B12, brackets, write down its name, cyanocobalamin, close the brackets, which maintains normal functioning of bone marrow for producing erythrocytes. Full stop. Next, deficiency of cobalt limits production of vitamin B12, which may lead to anemia. Full stop. Below write down, excess of cobalt results in overproduction of erythrocytes, causing polycythemia. Okay students, so this you will write under biological significance of cobalt. Next we have significance of nickel. Put the side heading nickel, students. So this also we have very few lines about nickel to learn about, students. So nickel is an important trace element and also an active metal in many plant ureases and hydrogenases. Okay, so it is an essential trace element. Nickel is an essential trace element and also an active metal in many plant ureases and hydrogenases, students. Full stop. Deficiency of nickel in chicks and rats causes impaired linear function and morphology. Okay, its deficiency in chicks and rats causes, what is it causing, students? Underline this one, impaired linear function and morphology. And morphology. Okay, students. It is very toxic to most of the plants. Nickel is very toxic to most of the plants, but can you see, students? Moderately to mammals. Moderately to mammals. Okay. So plants, it's damaging, but not much in the case of mammals. And also it is carcinogenic. It is carcinogenic. Okay, students. So these are the few lines which we write under biological significance of nickel. Fine. So this is all about biological significance of cobalt and nickel, students. So please write down in your notebooks. Previous videos also, please kindly watch and complete writing down the notes and share with your friends, students. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, so meet you in the next video with a new topic, students. Take care.